Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you that how you can add a background music in PowerPoint file. The software I'm gonna use is Microsoft PowerPoint. First open your PowerPoint presentation. I already made one, so I'm just gonna add the music. It's very easy. First go to insert and then sound and sound from file. Select your file and then OK. There are two options, one is automatically and one is when clicked. Automatically is used for if you play your PowerPoint file, it will automatically start your music, and when clicked is after playing you need to click manually on the music button to play it. I'm gonna go for automatically. Okay, there you can see the icon of the music. And now if you play the file, it will not play on all the slide, it will only play on the slide you selected. Let me show you. There we go. But if we will change the slide, look, it's not gonna play on the other slide except the very first one on which we added it already. So how to just play on every slide? First you need to go in animations and then custom animations. In custom animations you can see your file in here. Click on it and then change and then sound actions. Sorry, just click on it and then so double click on it, and then here you can see from beginning and from time or from last position, and stop playing is currently I have how many slides, let me see, I have 18 slides. So what I'm gonna do is 18. That means after 18 slides have been played, it will stop playing the music. And in sound settings you can hide the icon during slideshow. Click on it and then OK. And now when you will play it, let me show you. The music will start playing on the very first slide and it will not stop. Even if you are changing the slide, it will not stop at all. It will keep on playing just like this. And thank you for watching. If you want anything else, you can let me know and I will just make a video on it. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.